Hey everyone, it's Kira here, and I'm going to be showing you how to use the new 3D RELIGHT keyframe. So what you're going to do is import a layer, add effect, and 3D RELIGHT. This is by far one of their best keyframes. It just is crazy what this effect can do. So basically what there is are different options. There's ambient color, ambient intensity, and shininess. Those are quite important with how you want the start, basically what image lighting starts with. So I like putting this quite low, so when you use the lights further on, that they glow a lot better. You can change the color. I leave it at white, and shininess doesn't do too much, but still does an effect, makes it shine a lot more. I like putting this a lot less because I like that shininess. Now, what their options are different lights. So you can choose up to 5 different lights, which are 5 different angles, colors, up to you. So if you click this, I'm going to go to point. Now what you can do is move the positioning of the lighting depending on where you want it to angle from. So for the first one, I'm going to go from the top corner. The radius you can increase and decrease depending on how much light you want. I'm going to put quite a lot. And also the intensity, you can choose how much you would like. Same with the specular, play around with them to your liking. And then the color, you can choose the color to how you like. So I'm going to do the first one in a blue color. Same goes, choose a lighting. I'm going to do this one at directional. Play around with the positioning. I'm going to do mine from below. Intensity I'm going to put quite high, and I do like the purple, so I'm going to leave that. And I'm just going to do 3 today and do one more of these. I'm just going to put it around here, radius, and change the color to a yellow. So basically, this is amazing for creating neon type images, videos, and making everything just look way cooler. So I hope this was helpful, and can't wait to see all your edits with the new 3D RELIGHT keyframe. Thanks for watching.